Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, South Holland, local and long-distance movers near me. We provide the best expert long-distance moving services to help make your move a lot easier. We help you with your move regardless of how far you need to go, from 100 miles to more than 2,000 miles. Relocating isn't simple, but using the right moving services can definitely make things a lot easier. Along with the standard long-distance moving services, we also provide all the following: packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. It may not be easy to rationalize the cost of hiring an Illinois moving company. However, after a close look at the key perks of working with a local moving company, you'll likely see that it's well worth it. The time savings you gain may make using the services of a moving company one of the best decisions you made. You'll also get to avoid the heavy lifting, which means no threat of injury. Our skilled movers provide efficiency with each and every single move. Moving day gets much easier with 3 movers because we simplify your whole entire move. We can easily complete even the largest move in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our South Holland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.